Discover how over 250 million neglected zombie websites can turn into one of the most overlooked online business strategies, right there in plain sight. Most people have no idea these sites or digital assets even exist. They're forgotten and neglected sites that still attract visitors and offer useful content, but are not maintained. That's what a zombie website is, a site that looks like it's been left for dead, yet quietly still gets traffic and has plenty of life left in it. Resuscitating a zombie is much easier these days. With the tools available, someone can take over a neglected site, tidy it up, and leverage the traffic it already receives into a steady income. Why start from scratch when you can take over a zombie? Inside zombie websites, you'll learn how to spot viable online properties, how to approach burned-out owners, and effective strategies to quickly update a zombie so their existing traffic starts paying you. Anyone can do this. Zombie Websites shows you exactly what to do first, second, and third, no guesswork. If you've ever wanted a second income stream, or maybe even your primary source of revenue, then Zombie Websites is for you. And remember, you too can thrive by reviving what others left for dead. Grab Zombie Websites today.